Here are 8 tips for aspiring entrepreneurs aiming to become millionaires through a YouTube channel. 1. Niche selection. Choose a niche that aligns with your passion and has a potential audience. Specialized content often attracts dedicated followers. 2. Quality content. Focus on producing high-quality, engaging content. Invest in good equipment, learn about video editing, and strive for continuous improvement. 3. Consistency is key. Post content regularly to keep your audience engaged. Consistency helps build a loyal subscriber base, boosting your channel's visibility. 4. Audience engagement. Interact with your audience through comments, polls, and social media. Building a community around your channel enhances viewer loyalty. 5. Monetization strategies. Explore various monetization options, including ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. Diversify your income streams. 6. SEO Optimization. Learn and apply search engine optimization (SEO) techniques for YouTube. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. 7. Branding and unique selling proposition (USP). Develop a strong brand identity and USP. Differentiate yourself from competitors by offering unique and valuable content. 8. Financial management. Practice sound financial management. Track expenses, reinvest in your channel, and allocate funds wisely. Consider seeking professional advice for long-term financial planning. 9. Collaboration opportunities. Collaborate with other content creators in your niche. Collaborations can expose your channel to new audiences and provide valuable networking opportunities. 10. Stay adaptable. Be adaptable to changes in the YouTube algorithm, trends, and audience preferences. Stay informed about industry developments to stay ahead of the curve. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel and achieving millionaire status often takes time, dedication, and strategic planning. Continuously analyze,